To begin, turn the key to the on position and allow 18 seconds for the IQ View system to boot up. Please note that the system will remain on for 2 hours after the machine has been shut off, allowing for a quick restart if needed. To access the 3 chipping modes, press the arrow button on the right side next to Auto Feed. From this screen, you can select Factory, which is for most chipping applications, Brush for leafy material, or Wood for larger diameter whole logs. You can also disable the auto feed from this screen by pressing the top right arrow next to Auto Feed. The status of Auto Feed in the upper right corner will switch from On in green to Off in red. This will lock the unit to this screen until Auto Feed is turned back on. To turn the Auto Feed back on, press the Home button. Once you've selected the optimal chipping mode, press the Rabbit button to throttle the engine up and begin chipping. When chipping is complete, use the Turtle button to throttle the engine down.